Hello, fellow travelers. Ada with IFAT here. What you might not know about travel. Your medical insurance doesn't cover you at sea or out of the country. Can you afford to gamble with your life or your loved ones? Don't be put in a position of choosing between help and cost. Not all insurances are equal. Make sure you talk to someone knowledgeable. If you don't contact us, please talk to someone to make sure you have the appropriate insurance to meet your needs. I can't tell you how important this is. A vacation should be worry-free. At the end of this video, I will share my experience aboard the Navigator of the Seas. Embracing the open seas, the allure of cruise travel. Cruising offers a unique sense of freedom. Imagine waking up in a new and exotic destination each day, having all your dining and entertainment already available to you, and even more available at your request. Picture yourself indulging in delicious meals, exciting entertainment, and endless ocean views. Cruises provide all of this and more. They offer a chance to escape the everyday and embrace the spirit of adventure. But with any journey, a little preparation goes a long way. Just like packing your swimsuit and sunscreen, ensuring you're protected against unforeseen events is crucial. That's where travel insurance comes in. It's the safety net that allows you to fully embrace your cruise adventure. Think of it as packing peace of mind along with your bags. With travel insurance, you can relax and savor every moment of your cruise, knowing you're prepared for whatever comes your way. Don't let fear steal your dreams. The importance of preparation. We've all been there. You're daydreaming about your upcoming cruise. You envision turquoise waters and white sand beaches, but then a nagging worry creeps in. What if something unexpected happens? It's easy to let fear of the unknown overshadow the excitement of travel, but don't let it. By taking the right precautions, you can minimize risks and travel with confidence. That's where travel insurance plays a vital role. Travel insurance acts as a buffer. It protects you from the financial burden of unexpected events. Whether it's a sudden illness, a missed flight, or a natural disaster, travel insurance has you covered. By investing in travel insurance, you're investing in your peace of mind. You're safeguarding your trip, and you're ensuring that you can fully embrace the joy of exploration. Setting sail with confidence. Why travel insurance is a must for cruisers. Cruises offer unique experiences that require specialized travel insurance. Unlike traditional vacations, cruises involve multiple destinations and maritime-specific risks. Standard travel insurance might not be sufficient. Cruise travel insurance addresses these specific needs. It covers trip cancellations, delays, medical emergencies, and lost baggage. Imagine you're about to embark on your dream cruise. Suddenly, a family emergency arises, forcing you to cancel your trip. Without cruise travel insurance, you could lose a significant amount of money. Cruise travel insurance provides valuable protection for your investment. In 2019, on the Navigator of the Seas, I witnessed an evacuation that took several hours of the helicopter circling the ship, which had to totally stop till the patient was stable enough to travel. That cost some money. Just so happened he was one of my clients, which I didn't know at the time, till his wife called me needing assistance to navigate this. Because of me encouraging them to get insured, I was their hero. Choosing the right coverage, top providers, and what to consider. Now that you understand the importance of cruise travel insurance, let's explore how to choose the right coverage. Reputable companies include Allianz Travel, Travel Guard, and AIG. Consider coverage limits, deductibles, and exclusions. Ensure the policy covers your needs and travel style. Certain activities are not covered unless addressed with insurance company. Customize your policy with add-ons like cancel for any reason or CAR coverage. It allows you to cancel your trip for any reason, typically up to 48 hours before departure. While it adds to the cost, it offers peace of mind. As we come to the end of our guide, remember that cruise travel insurance is more than just a safety net. It's a way to ensure a worry-free vacation. By choosing the right provider and customizing your policy to fit your needs, you can protect yourself against unexpected events. Always read the fine print and ask questions if you're unsure about any aspect of your coverage. And finally, don't forget to enjoy your trip. With the right insurance, you can focus on creating unforgettable memories. Safe travels.